welcome to another unboxing video. And today we are going to unbox a Boeing 747 Dreamlifter in the 400 scale by Hogan. So let's check it out. The Boeing 747 Dreamlifter, also known as the Boeing 747 Large Cargo Freighter or the LCF, is a wide-body cargo aircraft at 65,000 cubic feet, 1,840 cubic meters. The cargo hold is the largest in the world for an aircraft. It can hold 3 times the volume of a 747-400 freighter. Cargo is placed in the aircraft by the world's longest cargo loader. It is an extensively modified Boeing 747-400 that is used exclusively for transporting Boeing 787 Dreamliner components. So this aircraft is actually also landing at Central Air, which is Central Japan International Airport. And it's rare that I actually saw it on Flight Radar 24. I forgot what day was it. Anyways, let's just check it out. So what's inside? So here it is, the Dreamlifter, or what I call the flying whale or something. So here's the model. It looks pretty detailed actually, and it looks good. So let's try to carry it. So the text that says Dreamlifter, it looks nice with the Boeing logo and the front part of the Boeing 747, and with the blue tail, nothing painted on it except for plain blue. Looks boring, but I like the blue tone actually. So let's put it here. So that's for all for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos, and I will also upload a new spotting video at Central soon, which will be at daytime. So thank you for watching, and thanks for all the support. I appreciate it. This is my first time actually using my voice on an unboxing video, so if it was kinda bad, give me a tip. So if it was cringy, I would still appreciate it. So anyways, thanks for watching.